When did you last pause on a normal day, open your bank app and ask, what single move could change every paycheck from now on? Not a bet or a rumour, just one choice you could make before your coffee cools, so simple a child can understand it. So strong it makes your money work while you sleep. Such a choice exists, a lowest amount that does not just start compounding, it makes compounding explode. Place that sum in the right engine, and new dollars appear, those dollars hire more dollars. Soon the quiet math feels like a machine. Today we will hunt that figure together, and by the end of this video, I will give you a step-by-step strategy on how to reach it. Drop a comment on what figure you think it is. I'll like anyone who guesses correctly. First, you have to understand that compounding is not magic. It is patient math. Picture a tiny snowball at the top of a hill. Each roll grabs more flakes. The new flakes grab even more, and the ball swells. Now replace snow with dollars. You invest, it earns a little, then the earnings earn. Round after round, the base grows and the curve bends. The more time you allow, the more the bend increases. The fewer times you interrupt, the faster it goes. Early growth looks slow, and many people quit. Our job is to reach the middle of the hill with enough weight for gravity to pull hard. You see bold promises everywhere. Flip a house fast, trade coins for a quick win, start 3 side hustles and sleep later. Some of that can work, but it eats weekends and adds stress. Compounding is the quiet partner. Feed it once and it keeps working. It pays you while you cook, while you study, while you walk. The price is not sweat, it is discipline. Set a rule, follow it on boring days, and leave the machine alone. So what is the least amount that turns this engine from a hum to a roar? Before the reveal, feel the terrain. Imagine a goal many whisper about. $1 million if you want to reach it in 20 years with about 8% a year. You need close to 240,000 on day one, push the horizon to 30 years at the same pace, and the starting sum drops near 100,000. Time is the lever that cuts the entry ticket in half. Returns matter too. Think of 4 speeds. At 4% a year, you would need about 280,000 today to see $1 million in 30 years. At 6%, the start slides to roughly 165,000. At 8%, it sits near 100,000. At 10%, the ticket shrinks toward 57,000. Each small notch of return slashes the sum. Yet life is messy, so we aim for a number that still works if returns cool. Here is the twist. The most powerful factor is not the return you chase. It is your behavior. Leave the money alone and it multiplies. Touch it too often and it stalls. Panic during a scary headline and you sell low. Get greedy during a hot run and you buy high. Both hurt the engine. The fix is routine. Automate deposits. Reinvest every dividend. Check on a schedule, then walk away. Boring wins. Patience pays. Now follow 3 snapshots. 5,000 earning 8% throws off about 400 in year 1. 50,000 throws off about 4,000. 100,000 throws off about 8,000. The second year is a touch larger because last year's gain also works. This is the bend you want, when yearly growth looks like real money and you did not clock extra hours to get it. Reinvestment is the second gear. Tell your broker or app to auto-reinvest everything. Dividends and interest are tiny workers. Do not let them nap in cash. Send them back to the job. The minute they arrive, those workers hire more workers. The crew grows. If you pull the cash out to spend, the crew shrinks and progress slows. One click keeps the crew on site, and over decades that single habit can double your outcome with 0 extra effort. Can a normal earner reach the explosion line? Yes, even with modest deposits. Save $300 a month at about 8%, and you approach the line in roughly 18 to 19 years. Save $500 a month, and you can land near it in around 14 years. Save $900 a month, and 8 to 9 years becomes realistic. Choose the track that fits your life, then stay on it when the road gets boring. Or maybe choose the faster way, which is to open a faceless YouTube channel to have more money to invest, because YouTube now is on easy mode, and I can help you directly if you join my free Telegram community with the link in the description. What if you have debt? Handle the expensive kind first, wipe out the high interest balances, then capture the freed payment and reroute it straight into your investments. Build a small emergency fund, 3 months of basic bills, so a flat tire or a broken phone does not force you to sell. After that, every spare dollar feeds the engine. This is not about being perfect, it is about being consistent. Every deposit is a vote cast for your future, and the votes add up. Do you need to pick stocks to do this? No, one low-cost fund that tracks a broad market is enough for most people. Set a day each month, buy the same way, turn on dividend reinvestment, and move on. If you love research, enjoy it. But understand that results mostly come from behaviour, not from perfect picks. Fees and emotions are the real villains. Keep both as small as possible. We are close. Hold the picture of a seed. On day 1, it looks like nothing. On year 10, it shades half the yard. Growth is sneaky like that. It feels slow, then it feels sudden. Compounding is the same. For a while you wonder if it works, and then the curve thickens and jumps. Friends ask what trick you used. There is no trick. There is time, there is patience, and there is a clear number you refuse to abandon. Here is the reveal. There is no set figure that will make your compounding explode, but we can say that this figure is close to $100,000. That is the line. At that base, the average yearly gain looks like a second income. 6% throws off about 6,000, 8% throws off about 8,000 off about 8,000, 10% throws off close to 10,000. Those numbers arrive whether you are at work or on a walk, and next year they arrive a little bigger. This is where the engine feels like a money printer, not because of magic, but because weight meets time. Why 100,000? Because it balances realism and power. It is heavy enough to produce meaningful cash at average returns. It is reachable with a practical plan for a normal earner. And it still works if markets cool for a while. Do you need it before anything good happens? No, compounding works at any size, but the emotional switch flips near this level. The momentum becomes obvious. You watch the cash flow rise each year, and you stop hunting miracles. You keep feeding the machine. Set your path now. Pick a date. 10 years, 8 years, 5 years, whatever fits. Divide 100,000 by your months. In 10 years, that is 120 months. About 834 per month. In 8 years, that is 96 months. About 1,040 per month. If those amounts feel high, stack levers, cut subscriptions, ask for a raise, add a weekend shift, sell clutter for a starter lump. Open your faceless YouTube channel with our help and let every new dollar auto-invest the day it lands. Protect your mind on the journey. Do not check the account 5 times a day. Set 1 day a month to look. Add your deposit, then close the app. The more you watch the waves, the more you feel seasick. Watch the tide instead. The tide is your routine, not the headlines. When fear shows up, keep buying. When hype shows up, keep buying. Boring is your edge. Boring compounds. Write your target on a note. 100,000. Place it where you see it. Break it into milestones. 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 75,000. Celebrate each step with something small, a walk, a meal, a call to someone you love. You do not need to announce your plan to the world. You need consistency. Quiet progress beats loud promises every single time. Also, because it is better to get rich without anyone noticing, we have a lot of videos explaining why. The first line you have to write on that note is to open a successful faceless YouTube channel. Because YouTube right now is literally blowing out every small channel who does things right as we teach you in my free Telegram community. Think how much easier it would be to make compounding explode. Just follow our strategy and your YouTube channel will explode, along with your compounding, without anyone noticing, because you don't have to put your face on it. Just look at this channel to realize how powerful YouTube is. If you found value in this video, smash the subscribe and like button. So many more people will discover this channel. Then let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you soon in the Telegram community. I'll wait for you. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, and any results depend on your own decisions and actions.